here, Akira.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Not bad.
So, it's very cold. I'm taking Akira for a walk because she loves the snow, and she has all the fur for it, while our other dogs are babies and they're freezing. Getting a workout, walking in the snow. It's very deep. At least deep for us. In some spots it looks like it's a foot. I don't know. Other spots it's not so much. It's really pretty and we don't get this very often here. Almost at all. So I have to go out and enjoy a little bit of it while we can.
I think most of the town doesn't have power, so we are just out walking Akira in the snow. Probably about a foot of snow in places. I'd say mostly 4 to 6 inches. Apparently the last time anything like this happened was at least 30 years ago. So we figured it's not much else. It's better to document than once in every few decades snowstorm in central Texas. So here we are. She was very excited for snow. Probably her favorite day. We have a wilderness park that we go to that's pretty close to where we live. You can see by the lack of footprints, except for maybe a few deer, we're the only people who are brave enough to come out here. Nobody outside, no tire tracks, nothing. It's just us.
Because there was a lot of accidents over there. And we're getting this happen. And there's no snowplows here.
That's true.
They can't take care of it.
Also, the winter storm warning says not to leave your home unless you have to. But we're pretty close, so we are just walking. We didn't drive anywhere. It was too pretty and too crazy of a thing not to show everyone.
Makes us want to go snowboarding.
If there was any hills near us, we would definitely go snowboarding. We still have our snowboards. We could tie them to the back of the truck, but that's probably frowned upon. As fun as it would be.